discussion about the miscellaneous exercise of chapter 10 straight lines. Let's discuss how the question number 11. So here it is. Find the equation of the lines through the point 3, 2, which makes an angle of 45 degree with the line x minus 2y equals 3. So here the points are given over here. The line, it is given x minus 2y equal to 3. And we are going to find out the equation of the lines which passes through the point say 3, 2, and it makes an angle of 45 degree with the given line x minus 2y is equal to 3. So let's have a rough figure for that one. X minus 2y equal to 3, that is the given line. So let us consider the first line, say L1. So which makes an angle of 45 degree with the given line. And yet another line we can consider. Let it be line L2. And here the point we can mark it as 3, 2. The line L1 and L2, it passes through the point 3, 2. And here also we can say that the line makes the angle 45 degree with the given line x minus 2y equal to 3. Let us denote the slope of the given line x minus 2y equal to 3 as m, and the slope of the first line L1 as m1, and that of the line L2 we can mark it as m2. So how to find out the slope of the line x minus 2y equal to 3? That we know. If a line is x minus 2y equals 3, the slope m, it is equal to negative a upon b. From this equation we can say that the value of a, it is 1. So negative 1 upon the value of b means it is negative 2. So we are getting the slope as 1 by 2 of the equation x minus 2y equal to 3. Now in order to find out the slope of the lines, we can apply the formula, the angle between the two lines. If the slopes are given, it is tan theta equals m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 m2. The absolute value of m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Here we can mark the value of the slope which is unknown. We can represent it as by the letter m dash, and the given line x minus 2y equal to 3, the slope we can mark it as m equal to 1 by 2. So here I am just going to write down tan theta equals m2 means I am just writing it as m dash minus, in place of that m we can write down it as the slope what we got here 1 by 2, the whole upon 1 plus m1 m2, that we can write down it as 1 plus 2 times 1 by 2 times m dash minus half upon 1 plus half m dash. We are just replacing that slope of the given line. Now here we are going to solve that right hand side. So here it is tan theta, that means we can say that here it is given that angle as tan 45. Okay, the theta is given as 45 degree. 2 m dash minus half upon 2. By taking the LCM we are solving the numerator. The same like the denominator also it will come. 2 plus m dash upon 2. So from this we can cancel that 1 by 2. So if I am cancelling that one, we are getting tan 45. So what is the value for tan 45? It is equal to 1. So 1 equals 2 m dash minus 1 upon 2 plus m dash. That is absolute value. Now one more thing is there. If you are removing that absolute value sign, it can be plus or minus 1. Two values we are getting. So 2m dash minus y upon 2 plus m dash equal to plus or minus 1. So now we are going to solve this one. The first case we can take it as that value 1, and the second case we can take it as the negative value 1. So it will turn as 2m dash minus 1 upon 2 plus m dash, it is equal to 1. So it will come 2m dash minus 1, it is equal to 2 plus m dash. We can transpose that m dash to one side. So we are getting it as 2m dash minus m dash equal to 2 plus 1. That is m dash gets you 3. So we got a value of, let it be m1 equal to 3. The first value we got. So let me note down here m1 equal to 3. Now the next case we are going to take the negative value for that one. So I am just changing here. Let it be the next one. The second case we are doing. And here in place of that plus 1 we are taking negative 1. And the same procedure we are doing. 2m dash minus 1 times 1 equal to negative of 2 plus m dash. So we can open the bracket here. So it will turn as 2m dash minus 1 gets you minus 2 minus m dash. So we can transpose that minus m dash to the left side. It will turn as positive. 2m dash plus m dash gets you negative 2 plus 1. That means 3m dash equals negative 1. M dash equals minus 1 by 3. So we can say that it is the slope of the second line minus 1 by 3. So here we got m2 equals minus 1 by 3. So far we got the two values for the slope of the first line and slope of the second line. Now since we got the slope and we know the point, the line passes through the point, it is given as 3, 2. Since it is the slope and point it is known, we can find out the equation of the line by point slope form. So here I am going to apply the first one. Here it is 3, 2 is the point given and the slope in the first case. So equation of the first line, equation of line L1, we can mark it as y minus y1. I am just writing that formula m times x minus x1, and here y1 and x1 means it is the point 3, 2, that is x1, y1, and the slope we are considering it as 3 itself. So y minus 2 equals m times, that means 3 times x minus 3. So we are getting y minus 2 equals 3x minus 9. So by solving, y minus 2 equals 3x minus 9. We can transpose that y terms to the y minus 2 to the right hand side. It will turn as 3x minus y minus 9 plus 2 means it is negative 7 equal to 0. That is the equation of the first line. So let me consider the second case. The second equation, if I am considering, the slope will change in this one. We are going to write down the slope as minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3, x minus 3. The point is same 3, 2 itself. So if I am opening that bracket, it will turn minus x minus 3, and we can transpose this 3 means it will come 3 times y minus 2. Now we are going to solve that equation. It is 3y minus 6 gets you negative x plus 3. We can transpose all the terms to the left side. X plus 3y minus 6 minus 3 means minus 9 gets you 0. So these are the equations of the two lines. 3x minus y minus 7 equals 0 and x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. So now it's the turn of the next question, question number 12. Find the equation of the line passing through the point of intersection of the lines. 4x plus 7y minus 3 equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0, and that has equal intercepts on the axis. So here we can consider the point of intersection. Okay, so how we can find out the point of intersection when the two lines are given? Equation of the two lines are given. As we know, we can solve that two equations. We can consider it as a system of equations and we can adopt any one of the method like either the substitution, elimination, any one of the method we can use and we can solve that equations. So here if I am doing 4x plus 7y minus 3 equal to 0 and the second equation we have 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. So in order to apply the method of elimination, we have to make either the coefficient of x or y same. So let me consider the second equation and we are going to multiply the second equation by 2. So it will turn as 4x plus 4x minus 6y plus 2 equal to 0. Let it be equation number 3. And let us consider the equation, first equation as itself 4x plus 7y minus 3 equal to 0. Now we are going to solve these two equations. If I am subtracting equation 1 from equation 3, 4x minus 4x means it is 0, minus 6y minus 7y means minus 13y, plus 2 minus 3 means it will turn as plus 5 equal to 0. So I can transpose that negative 5 to the right side. It will turn as minus 13y gets you negative 5. Y equals negative 5 by negative 13. We are getting it as 5 by 13. Once we got the value of y, we can substitute in any one of the equation to get the value for x. So here 4x it is equal to 6y minus 2. So x equals 6y minus 2 upon 4. So it is 6 times 5 by 13 minus 2 the whole upon 4. 5 6 are 30. So we are getting it as x equals 30 by 13 minus 2 upon 4. That means x equals 30 minus 26 upon 13 divided by 1 by 4 means we can consider it as 4 by 1. So it will turn as 1 by 4. That means we are getting 13 into 4. What is 30 minus 26? We are getting it as 4 by 4. That 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So I am getting the value of x as 1 by 13. So x gets you 4 by 13 into 4. 4 will get cancelled. We are getting 1 by 13. So here we got the point of intersection as 1 by 13, 5 by 13. Now in the question it is given that it has equal intercept on the axis. So I hope you know what is the formula for intercept form. It is x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1. According to the question it is given equal intercept. We can say that the value of b we can change it as by b. Value of b we can change it as a itself. So a and b are equal. Equal intercept it is given. So x by a plus y by a equal to 1. So I am getting x plus y upon a equal to 1, which implies x plus y gets you a itself. Now here one more thing it is there. X plus y equal to a. That we got that equation over here. Since this point, that point of intersection, passes through this line, we can substitute that value of x and y by 1 by 13 and 5 by 13. From that we can find out the value of a. So substituting that value 1 by 13 plus 5 by 13 gets you a. That means 6 by 13 it is equal to a. So from here we got the value of a as 6 by 13. Now here it comes the answer for you. That equation of the line it is x plus y equals 6 by 13. So here it comes x plus y equal to 6 by 13 as the equation of the line.